Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. You know what?
The camera is...
Why is it?
Sorry guys, you'll see my hand for a bit. Let me zoom in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, yeah, there we go. Yeah,
a little bit
perfect. Let's not do the curtains, man. So,
yeah, because when you film in solo, I think it's different, right?
So, with that said, oh man, hope you guys are doing well on this sad day. You know, what was the name of that guy? I forget.
Charlie Kirk, yeah, I was up all night following what happened. Terrible, man. Terrible news. I was hoping he could have made it, but
yeah, I know it's I've seen some of his videos myself, and it's horrible that the banking system would do this, and the CIA. If you don't believe that they're behind this, you don't understand what's going on any more than what's his name Tesla did when he decided, hey, you know what? I'm going to invent free electricity for everybody and go to a bank to help me spread it to the world. And yet, if you don't understand what's going on, right, you're not going to understand why the bank's going to say, no.
we're not going to let you do it. Yeah.
Right? If that's it, right? And so, and you don't understand, if you don't understand what, basically that, our whole financial system is always behind all these murders and crimes and everything. Because when you think back, right, to the 60s, 50s, 60s, 70s, were there crazy people out there shooting people up and stuff like that? No. Where did this all come from, right? Well, if you could print money, right, for free, right, you're not going to be a good person. You're going to want to control things. And when you do control things, you're going to do it in the wrong way. Right? That's why if we had politicians control physics, right, what would happen? Do you think the sun would rise?
There would be no gravity.
Exactly.
There'll be a tax for gravity, actually. Sorry. Let me rephrase it. You'll be taxed to use gravity.
Exactly. Right? And it would all get messed up. Right? So that's exactly what's happened, right? You've given power, when you give power to print money to a bunch of people that they're going to do things wrong. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Right? It is what it is. This is why Bitcoin's here. To end all that, right?
To wake us up from the matrix.
Exactly. So this is why, you need to buy some Bitcoin, you hold it and learn how to hold it, right? At b4b.davincej15.com. That's very important, right? Don't you agree, Mr. M?
I agree, yeah. Sorry, I'm a little bit, I'm not 100% today. I apologize, but Charlie was someone I was following aggressively. But anyway, yes, that's why we decided to do what we are doing, right? Because we want to help you guys to understand why you are purchasing this asset in the first place.
Exactly.
Forget the money, forget the fiat valuation.
Exactly.
Learn about the fundamentals.
Yeah,
right?
and this way, when you learn all this, you'll learn why you need to hold this no matter what. Because then you get to tell the cow how it eats the cabbage, not the other way around. Because you ain't stopping the fact that the MCN list is never coming out, right? You don't have enough money for that. They have unlimited printing press money, right? You don't. Now, if a lot of us have the money, the real money, which is a fixed in supply, well, guess what? They don't.
Exactly. Right.
And then we get to tell them how things go.
You can opt out, right? Opt out, like Rinaldo says all the time.
So that's the future. Anyways, with that said, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and also head over to Mr. M's podcast.
Thank you.
You can hit the subscribe there as well, right? And check out his videos, right? He's got a weekly thing going here, right?
Yeah, I made a playlist, this morning, because with Plan C and C now we're going to do a Wednesday catch up. It might be live actually. We haven't decided yet, but since the price is getting to a point where it's getting warmer, we decided to do a weekly catch up. They have a fantastic platform where we go into the quantile model and all the projections. It's really good. So we uploaded one last night, and I will keep doing it every week.
Nice. Excellent. It's good to hear. Okay. Wow.
This is something else, right? We were looking at these news and we said, okay, wow, we thought we were bullish until Fidelity came up and they said one Bitcoin may be worth 1 billion by 2038.
Jesus, man. Just move. Fidelity should just talk about XRP then. They're going to lie and make stupid claims. Do that about XRP. Okay.
Just to give you guys some perspective, we did a math before we started the show. In order for Bitcoin to reach 1 billion by 2030, which we don't believe is going to happen, by the way, it will have to double every year for 13 years in a row. That's a little bit of a stretch.
And then on top of that, right, let's take a look at the market cap of Bitcoin would be 21 quadrillion? Quadrillion? That's more than the value of everything.
Ever.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, that's a bit of a bullish claim. But why they should not be allowed to do this thing, man? Come on. Like, this is complete bananas. Complete banana. It doesn't even make sense.
Like, I mean, unless you say, like, you have to, like, say, okay, well, the dollar won't exist at that point, so then it doesn't really, even at 1 billion with the dollar not existing, it doesn't matter. It's infinity, right? So what's the price of gold in Zimbabwe dollars? Well, it's
infinity. It's
exactly
forever.
Same with the rice market, right? There is no number, right?
Yeah, it's that's why we wanted to talk about this. And I've seen some of you guys in the comments saying, "Oh, you guys are crazy." Well, it wasn't our suggestion. Obviously, we wanted to talk about this because Fidelity put this up.
Exactly.
A couple of days ago, by the way. I think it was September 2nd or 3rd or something. So it's it seemed appropriate because in the beginning I thought it was fake, but apparently there is an article someone wrote.
Yes. Well, here at this class, you will learn for free, right, how market cap works. Because somebody at Fidelity forgot to take those classes.
Exactly. Okay, if you are watching, by the way, you can sign up.
Exactly. Damn. And whilst, yes, you could technically say that, during a hyperinflation, Bitcoin could get to 1 billion and beyond, but in that point in time, it becomes irrelevant that it's $1 billion, right?
Yeah, at that point, you probably live in a war zone. I mean,
it's not about the war zone. I don't think you'd be in a war zone, but
No.
the issue is that because it's moving rapidly, you don't really care about the number in dollars anymore, right? It's like at that point, it's just like I have to have Bitcoin and that's it. And then you don't know what it can buy at that point, right? It could be $1 billion, but then it could only buy you
a cup of coffee.
Exactly. You don't know, right?
Yeah. I mean, it won't be a cup of coffee, but yeah, the purchasing power will be definitely smaller.
Exactly. You just don't know because at that point during hyperinflation, it's really difficult to figure out what the valuation of anything is, and based on relative to something else, right? So it won't matter, right?
Exactly. But I thought it was, nuts. So that's why we wanted to talk about it today. You can see the power curve cycle cloud. This is interesting. I mean, you can probably chart so many different ways this asset, right? But one thing is clear: it's going up.
Yeah, for sure.
Now, how fast and how much, that's up for you to decide. But I agree, it's going to 1 million, no matter what.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely. Yes, that's a given.
I mean, we could agree on when, but
yeah, exactly.
It's going to happen.
We debate when, but
exactly.
That's
Not if.
happening. Right?
It's just
like even 10 million, right? You can do, right?
10 million could be, yeah. I mean, we will need time, but like you said, yeah, it's definitely possible, especially if things are going this way. Look, BlackRock is about to launch an ETF in the UK, which, I mean, is not going to add much because we know the majority is coming from the US. But still, every country will have one.
Exactly.
So,
Oof.
741 million yesterday alone. We've seen billions, remember? 1 billion?
Yeah, we've seen billies.
We've seen billions.
Yeah, let's check out Solana. Let's see how Solana's doing. Oh.
I mean, at least it's something.
It's on the board. Yeah.
Exactly. I don't remember which one was the highest, but I think it was somewhere in the 20 million region. What's happening on ETH, by the way? Can you check? Please, and see what's going on over there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Those are, by the way,
positive numbers.
These used to be Bitcoin numbers.
Exactly. So Ethereum's getting up there. Yeah. Look at that.
Exactly.
And, the fair and greed is like, we're like, whatever.
Yeah.
Don't care.
We just passed.
Yeah.
114.
Like ugly. It's like ugly girl again, still.
Nothing burger. Unbelievable.
Speaking about another nothing burger, it's only up 5% for September, right?
And the best part is yet to come, because in 5 days, Jerome is going to say something about the interest rates. And if he's going to cut, as everyone is expecting, I think Polymarket gives it a 98% chance.
But unfortunately, generally what happens is that prices excel into that, and then we
correct after.
Yeah. Unfortunately, most of the time, right? Not all the time, but most of the time.
It will be interesting to see what's going to happen in October, because October, as you can see, only had 2 red months. So I think we will see a potential pump in October, and then it's going to be super interesting, because people are going to think, oh, this is the top of the market. Some people are going to take profit, right? Because the 4-year cycle is finished. Maybe that's why it's not going to be like this. And this is what's happening now. I would like to pick your brain here, because you've seen basically every single cycle, right? So everyone is going to expect Bitcoin to top at the end of the year, October, November, December. So many are going to take profit, no matter what. If we get to 140, 150, 160, there's going to be a huge profit taking. So maybe the market is going to pump next year to then get them back into it, to then crash when no one is expecting. Because then everyone is going to say super cycle, so they're going to FOMO back in, and then we see a correction.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the odds are we're going to have a massive correction one way or another, right?
50, 60% probably.
I don't think it's going to be the 50 or 60% anymore.
But a juicy 40?
Yeah, I think so, right? The worst case scenario. And yeah, let's see what the Fibonacci is setting is from the top to the reverse bottom. See if it's how much of a percentage that's going to be. So that might be only 40% from the top, right? Who knows? Let's see. Let's see what that is, how it plays out over the next little while. Okay. With that said, man, before we get into the the soap and towels area, I want to talk to you guys about Bitcoin for beginners once again, right? I'm really proud of this particular class that we are providing for you guys, because it is about, getting more of you to hold Bitcoin for the long term and learning how to hold it so that we don't see the negative effects of what fiat money does, right? We're going to see the positive effects by you holding it of money that's fair and honest, equal measures of wealth. And this is why I have to build this school. I have to support this project and get it out there to much people as possible before the wealthy people buy it, and then you have to work for them because they can print money. And you're going to use also that ability to print money as well, once you have enough Bitcoin, of course, to your advantage. So by joining this school, whether you just watch the free classes or you pay for courses, right? Yes, it will not be free, of course, right? There will be free opportunities, right, to gain. For example, if you guys sign up, you will get an access to less than free access to the course, of course, but it's going to be a one-time only, right? Option for 1 day, 24 hours, right? So you have to You have to be there, sign up, right? Make sure you check off, hey, I want the newsletter, because that's the only way we're going to let you know how to get the link in order to watch the show, right? We need to see, we need to be able to communicate with you. And then once you do, you will get an offer that you just can't refuse, basically. You won't be able to refuse this offer because it'll be less than free.
Exactly. And like you said, the most important thing is to sign up, because there are free classes.
Exactly.
So if you feel like you don't have, at the moment, capacity to pay, you can just sign up and watch free content, right?
Exactly.
As long as you follow the links and make sure they are the legit ones, right? You can get free content.
Yeah. All right. So with that said, we're about to do something that you should not do, right? And if you decide to do it, well, you explain it to them. What happens?
It's your fault insurance.
And if we do secure the bloodline, what happens? And they don't follow us.
That's your fault insurance, right? You need to use the same insurance to claim it.
Yeah.
But this is why we are doing what we are doing now, because we would like you just to watch us getting smacked.
Yeah,
basically.
Exactly. So, all right. So, with that said, we had to create a separate account, right? So that just in case, right, temporarily until this latest attack has blown over, and that's probably some good practice even for you guys to always use a separate account for assets you want to buy. And now we bought some Peppa Peep, and it's holding up. The Peppa Peep, right?
Unbelievable.
Our pixels, let's just see. Our
You know the
pixel
meme
thing.
where Peppa Pig is holding the old portfolio
Exactly.
on their shoulder.
I think this one got rugged. I'm not 100% sure.
Pixel? Oh no.
We got pixel battle, and I think we lost our money.
Yeah, this is one of those moments for the chat.
Wow. Did we buy this too? I mean, I don't remember buying this. Do you? Oh, that's where it is. It's here.
I don't remember.
It got crushed. Right? What happened here? Can't go back? Jesus.
I love this. Good luck in the minefield. Exactly. This is where we are in the trenches.
We did buy this, and it was so bad, Dex Screener probably removed it. There it is. There.
Oh, this was this was something.
Yeah, I don't know if something good though.
Wow.
Did we get rugged?
Wow.
What do you think? Did we get rugged?
Maybe. I mean, it could go higher. It could go higher. Well, here's a question. If it goes, how long or how much he has to go down to come back from the other side? Damn, this is proper Memecoin. This is exactly what Memecoin do. Dang.
It was at millions of market cap, man.
Unbelievable. What was the name of this thing again?
Official.
Dislikes, whatever.
Dislikes, whatever. Man. Oh boy, did we even sell like half on a double on any of these? No, we were just rolling it.
Yeah, I guess
dice on these things, and oh my god.
I guess when we put the sell order.
How about new?
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm not even entertaining with the idea. So
well, let's just take a look at Peppa Peep.
Oh, lady.
Peep.
Peppa Peep going in deep, saving the old portfolio.
Exactly. Look at that.
Damn. What's the volume come? Is it 3,000?
Just $3,000.
$3,000 volume? Excuse me.
Hello. This is our actual portfolio.
Okay.
Look at that. Our Bitcoin.
So we got $3,000 in Peppa Peep.
Mm-hmm. Yes. There you go. We rich.
Guys, don't buy Peppa Peep.
Do we need to tell you that?
Yes. Please don't buy any Peppa Peep. We are not sponsored. We are not affiliated with this thing. We just found it randomly like a year ago. It was in November, right? It's somewhat near the end of the year. Damn. Can you imagine when it's going to go to $1?
No.
How about new?
Yeah, guys, it's not going to $1 either. So
Oh man. Look at our portfolio. See here, Solana, Orcs, good. Waffles up, right? Pudgy Penguins, whiff. We got a whiff of the dog, right?
well, this is altcoin season. Then there you have it. You know,
I could have swore Bretta's wife has just died. Yeah, looking at her chart.
still kicking.
Yeah, no, she's
No, trading down.
yeah, she's trading down. It's not good. Yeah. Oh well. Agenda 47. That's
Yeah.
your coin that you
Yeah.
took a lot of screenshots on.
Yeah. I have a beautiful collection. man.
Screenshot.
Beautiful collection.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
it's funny because I was coming in. Look, Da Vinci is bumping. Have you sold it? No.
No.
Of course not. And it's gone. I mean, yeah, I guess it's.
It's
I mean,
still around.
yeah, it's not gone, but it's gone down. Yeah. I mean, the screenshot are a good memory, but
Yes. It was you.
people
You had some
pump.
good times. Good times with your screenshots.
Oh yeah,
Good times. Good times.
They're all framed next to my bed. Ooh, look at that.
There.
How far is it from the all-time high? I mean,
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
it's kind of
Yeah. It hasn't rugged.
trending down, but hasn't dead yet.
No.
Okay.
Exactly.
Screenshot billionaire, exactly. Nick. You know it. I'm a billionaire in screenshots. Oh boy.
Oh damn.
See, I can go around and say, see, I'm not broke.
Yeah.
Look.
Yes. You're screenshot rich. Oh damn. So let's go to the trenches.
Let's see what we can find. I'm sure we'll see a lot of Charlie coins, by the way.
What's this one?
Yeah, it is probably one of them. Charlie, yeah. Justice for Charlie or one of those.
I think this might be a scam.
This one, yeah.
I'm not 100% sure.
By the way, there's something
Something off.
suggesting there might be a rug happening.
Oh damn.
Maybe.
Damn.
Maybe we will experience a rug there. It's possible.
Yeah, there's a little bit of rugging happening with it.
Ruggaging. There's a bit of ruggaging.
Let's see here. Is there, and it's like, man, people came out with like all kinds of coins. Look, and they're spending like big dollars to promote it, and it's gone.
Wow. Yeah, guys, be very careful.
Wow,
Very careful.
They're spending big money. Oof. Wow.
Yeah. It's crazy how Memecoin have managed to literally like suck the life out of all the news. Whenever something happens, there's
There's a meme coin behind it. Yeah.
There's a Memecoin and then copycats and other coins, and from sad events to happy events to crazy stuff. Like the breakdancer, remember the Australian lady? They made a Memecoin out of it. The old Asian lady, what was it, leg?
The knees.
Oh, knees, yeah. I mean, crazy. Make them famous. Oh, those are all the people they are celebrating. Charlie is dead. There's people celebrating.
Yeah. Well,
So they made a meme coin out of it.
they're not the greatest people, right?
Yeah. I mean, who would celebrate someone dying, man? It's horrible. So yeah, this is probably the meme coin behind that.
Let's get a little bit.
I think today is gonna be it's gonna be the main narrative, sadly, for the next couple of days. But guys, if you have any questions, please use the chat because we will have a Q&A segment.
Just hope we don't get drained. Oops, I'm using the regular account now.
Okay.
Okay. Should I put some protection on that? Yes.
Yes, probably a good idea. I'm scanning the chat now for some questions.
Monsters, yes. They are monsters.
Yeah. Much love to the world. Yeah, that the world needs a lot of love.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning from India. Good morning, India. There's a lot of people from Nigeria as well, which is amazing. Mr. I need coffee. Yes, I do need a cup of coffee. I was up all night in hoping for better news, to be honest. This one is a good question.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna sell this with this 2 warning asset. We'll sell it all, right?
Yeah, sounds like a plan. There's some people saying, what do you mean 1 billion Bitcoin? Guys, rewatch the stream because it was a fun segment.
No, exactly. Jesus, yeah, obviously not, man. Come on, man.
Looking 5 by 5, my brothers. Good to see you, Star Crypto.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see here. I want one more cool coin. Let's choose something at random here that looks somewhat.
What is this one?
I don't know.
Oh wow, this looks completely natural too.
Mm-hmm. It's a 5 minute, man. It's a 5 minute. Let it go. Let it go. It's got a whole 9. Let's see here. A whole lot of people interested in this coin, with the whole 200 holders.
Is that a game? Original Sol coin. Before Solana even existed, there was Sol coin. Okay, born on Bitcoin Talk in 2014. Reborn on 2025 on Solana.
All right, well then we have to go get it.
Guys, it was out in 2014. This is it's the new Solana.
Exactly.
Jesus. Built on Solana, by the way.
Yeah, exactly.
So do you see the irony there?
Exactly.
Wow.
So we put any protection on this or let it ride?
Okay, that's do you want me to think? Deep think. Damn.
Oh damn.
Wow.
Okay, I think your answer is clearly a little bit of protection, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a tad.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot, just a tad. Oh man, it's a little slow with the internet.
Yeah, we're still experiencing some issues on the Red Sea cable outage in Dubai.
We'll still have, right?
Yeah. Less trenches, more Q&A. Yeah, that's fair. Fair.
Mm-hmm.
Fair.
All right. We'll do it. We'll do it shortly. Hang on. All right, that's it.
Once we're protected here, we can switch on.
Okay, let's switch over.
Yeah. All right, I did save a bunch of questions. What's Bitcoin next target? Ooh, that's a good one. The real answer is doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to talk about targets, right? You can say that the 121, area, and then probably a little bit of pullback to scare everybody out again, and back in. Then it's like then it's gonna try to break out to the 140 and stuff like that. Something crazy like that. Now, we're in that zone where we should be just like going up. So we could end up going up to 120 and everybody thinks we're going to pull back, and then it just keeps going. We just don't know, right? So yeah, trade accordingly, according to the patterns that you decided to trade on. That's it.
Exactly. Jamie's asking, altcoin season? Yes, no. It's altcoin season indicator is signaling we are in the altcoin season.
Yeah, a little bit. It doesn't feel like it.
No.
But I guess so, right? I mean, Solana's up, double from the bottom, right, of this year, right? So it's up to 100%.
Exactly, same here. Altcoin season is in. What price do you expect Ethereum to hit on this cycle? Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I think we see Ethereum over 5,000, maybe around 7.
7. It's really hard because if you would have asked me the same questions like a while back, I would have said by now we would have been, I don't know, 6, 7.
Exactly.
So it's
Should have
really,
been well over the all-time high.
exactly. Will 2040 Bitcoin halving happen? Yeah, I don't see why not. The halving happens every 4 years, no matter what.
Exactly.
So, yeah, the answer is yes, it will happen. Target for Bitcoin for 31st of December. Oh, that's very specific. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean,
It's going to be higher than now.
Yeah, it's going to be over 150.
Okay, that's I like that. Thoughts on Charlie? Well, prayers for Erica and the kids, of course.
Of course.
The wife, really sad. Bitcoin will probably be 1 million in 2030.
2032 for sure, if not.
Yeah, it's what, 5 years-ish, 4.5 from now. It's possible. Yeah, there's 1 billion question mark. Yeah, this was Fidelity. Solely thinking, these guys are drinking.
Exactly.
What are they drinking?
I know, exactly. I know. It was obviously Fidelity playing an XRP prank on Bitcoiners.
Exactly. I don't mind the trenches. Okay, 37 days until veneration. Thank you. Yeah, like we say all the time, careful on the trenches. Don't buy any of these things that we buy.
Exactly. Just it's ridiculous in the trenches.
None of this is financial advice. What's the dominance? Bitcoin dominance is doing. Have you seen lately on your lines, or have you checked?
No, I haven't looked lately, but let's take.
Should we have a look before we go?
Before we go.
Some people are asking also in the chat.
Ooh, the dominance is like this is a 2 week, so we've already broken down from a downtrend, right? And this this downward triangle. So this is like, if we go to the daily, you can see it a little bit more clearly. Okay, so.
Oh wow! Yeah,
exactly. So it is. It is a clear break here. So.
Damn, that line is acting really well.
And so we came back to it. Look at that. We came back to it and failing. So it's.
You're gonna roll down, right?
It's another rollover coming. So it's not good. Not good. And the target is all the way down at 54%. So yeah, so the Bitcoin dominance is coming back, but that's okay. Bitcoin still has a ways to go. I think it's gonna reverse and then take out. The odds are, right, if we get over to that's of course if there's a big if we get up to 74, right, that means we're going all the way to 95. Think about that for a second.
Yeah.
Damn, we'll wipe everything out. Bitcoin. Oof.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it depends what's going to happen also in the bear market, right? Because that's when usually Bitcoin dominance goes bananas.
Exactly.
Okay, last one. Ming Yang. Can Solana surpass Ethereum?
How about no?
Yeah.
Stupid.
I don't think you...
Bruh.
No, it's unlikely. Because one, Solana is very difficult to program for. I know because that's what I've been doing.
And two, it doesn't work all the time.
No.
So that could be a problem.
Yeah.
But I guess, how about this? The probability that Solana is going to pass Ethereum is higher than Ethereum passing Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you have it.
Perfect.
Can Solana get to 1,000? Ooh, we had that target, right?
It was supposed to, and now it's gone. So now it won't make that target. No.
Yeah.
Because we backed off too much. That wiped out a lot of people who are not coming back.
I was thinking about playing this.
And it's gone.
That's a target on Solana, right? But that doesn't mean it's not going to do well. I mean, it could maybe go to, I don't know, $400 or $500.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's still pretty good, right? If it's at $500, yeah.
Exactly. Alrighty. Thank you, guys.
All right. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you join b4b.davincij15.com today, right? Because it's free.
Exactly.
Cheers.
Do it. Do it. Cheers.